this is a PDF file with rows and columns that I want to convert into Excel. Also, I don't want to upload or share my important PDF files on any external servers. But most of the time when we convert a PDF to Excel, the tables, rows and columns don't appear correctly and the entire layout gets messed up. So how can we convert this PDF into Excel without losing the original formatting? In this video, I'll show you a simple and reliable way to do that. First, open Systweak PDF editor on your Windows computer. The best thing about this software is this tool works offline, which means no internet is required. Your files remain on your system, so your data stays safe and secure with you. Choose the PDF file you want to convert. Next, go to the top menu and click on Convert. From the list of options, select PDF to Excel. This feature is designed to keep tables, rows, columns, and data layout as close to the original as possible. Before you begin, check that the output format is set to Excel. Then select a folder where you want to save the converted file. After that, click on Convert to Excel. Wait for a few seconds and the conversion will be done. Now open the Excel file. You will notice that the tables, alignment and formatting are properly maintained. If you want to convert more than one PDF at the same time, you can use the Batch Process option. Click on Batch Process, then choose Batch Convert. Drag and drop all the PDF files you want to change. Select Excel as the output format. Choose the destination folder. Once all done, click on Convert to Excel. Wait a few moments and all your PDFs will be converted into Excel sheets. And that's how you can quickly convert PDF files to Excel without losing formatting. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more easy and useful tech videos.